Today we're going to do the King Queen Boho Granny Crochet American Flag Blanket. I have a couple of blankets here. And usually I use this Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn in dark denim, burnt sienna, and ivory. But today I'm going to use a lighter blue so hopefully it shows up better on camera for you guys. And we're going to use an H hook. No, I'm sorry, an I hook. Definitely an I. You can find all that information in the pattern. If you are doing this online, then you don't have to worry. But if you're printing it out, I do want to forewarn you that it is a 10-page pattern with lots of colors and pictures, and so you might want to consider that when printing it. So to begin, we're going to start, I think this is out of order on my part here. Yes, mine is out of order. Page 1, 2, I should check this. So on page 3, we start our stars, and we're going to make 50 of these with the star squares. So I'm going to grab my white, and I'm following along the pattern with you guys. So we're going to get our eye hook and our ivory and make a magic ring. And chain 1. Now we're not going to chain or anything, we're going to do 10 single crochet in our magic ring. And slip stitch join in that first single crochet. Before I close my magic rings, I like to untwist my tail and join and close that magic ring firmly and gently closed. Okay, now our next round is this chain 5 and single crochet in the second chain from the hook, half double crochet in the third, double crochet in the fourth, and half treble in the fifth. Yes, it does say that. Wow. Now we're going to skip 1 and slip stitch in the next space on our tiny circle. And repeat those steps. Chain 5 and single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half treble. Now skip 1, slip stitch. And we'll just repeat this around for a 5-point. My stitches are tight for a 5-point star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single, half double, double, and half treble. Skip and slip. Skip and slip. And last point. we'll fasten off after we join in that first space. And I like to make sure that magic ring is firmly and gently but it's still gently closed, so my hole doesn't come free. Also weave that end around there to help secure that and give it some extra support. And there you have your star. And we're going to next join our blue with a slip knot on your hook. You're going to slip stitch, join, and the back loop only of the half treble on the top of the half treble on any point. So I'm going to go into this one. So back loop only. I'm going to do a slip stitch. Then chain 4 to equal a half treble, a treble, sorry, and skip the half treble and then half treble back loop only over here. Whoops, I lost my strands. So back loop only, do a half treble, and then double crochet back loop only in the single crochet. So back loop only. Now we're going to move around to the other side of the point and do a half double crochet in the single crochet back loop only, double crochet back loop only in the half double crochet, and then a half treble back loop only in that double crochet, and then a treble back loop only in the half treble back. And then we'll repeat those steps. So half treble back loop only in the double crochet, and then half double crochet back loop only in the single crochet. Oops. My camera's shaking. Haha. Double crochet. Now we'll do a half double crochet on the other side of the point, back loop only in that single crochet, and then a double crochet back loop only in the half double crochet, and a half treble back loop only in the double crochet, and a treble back loop only in the half treble. And just continue those steps around. Yes. Half treble back loop only, double back loop only, half double back loop only, and double back loop only, half treble, and treble. And we'll finish up on this last side with a half double, a double, and a half treble. And then slip stitch join in that fourth chain of your beginning chain 4. And you should have a circle at this point with your star in the middle, and when you do those back loops only, it outlines the star really nice. If you accidentally go too deep, it will show, and I recommend taking that out. So we're ready to start on our next round. And we're going to single crochet in the same space. I'm going to adjust my